Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to cut fusible interfacing with Silhouette Cameo. I will need medium or strong grip cutting mat, fusible interfacing. This one is heavyweight, approximately 200 grams per square meter. I will need a brayer, a blade. I have a ratchet blade, fabric blade and CB09. I will use CB09, but you may use any blade you have. Auto blade or ratchet blade or for the fabric. Since I'm going to use CB09 to cut fusible interfacing, I need to adjust the blade depth accordingly to the fusible interfacing. I think I will adjust on 4 and I will check how it cuts manually. On 6. Now I'm going to place the fusible interfacing on the mat, but be careful. You have to place it with fusible side up, non-fusible side down. Otherwise, the all glue will adhere to the mat. If I want to cut fusible interfacing with the fabric blade, then I should adjust the blade depth on 7, and same with the ratchet blade. And here I am going to choose fabric thick canvas. Actually, the result is even better than the cutting with the fabric blade. So this is it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.